Messages from Nature, Part 3. Today's message is about self-help, the rainbow of our life. Now, as we were growing up, we have heard our elders say that if we see a rainbow in the sky, we are in for a beautiful day ahead, and sure enough, we did. Now, as the brilliant sunshine passes through the water droplets suspended in the sky, it transforms into a beautiful multicolored arch, which gives us joy every time we see it. Now, self-help is like the water droplet, which we make it a practice of passing our life through it for us to have a loving and peaceful life. Now let me tell you what I mean by self-help. What I would love you to develop in your life, that you have the blessings of a loving and peaceful life. For that, we need to be aware that the life on our earth is one of polarities. When I say polarities, it means sometimes we have experiences of peaceful moments, sometimes we have experiences of not so peaceful moments, sometimes we have experiences of kind moments, and sometimes not such kind moments. Sometimes we have experiences of friendly moments, and sometimes not such friendly moments. Sometimes we have experiences of calm moments, sometimes not such calm moments. So a student of self-help has to begin to practice, to think and talk of only experiences of love, joy, kindness, peace, in order to receive the benefits of a good life of love and peace. Now, self-help is the drive. It is the drive to want to consistently develop the quality and habit of addressing our everyday life from a space of kindness to ourselves. Remembering the law of the universe. As we give, so do we receive. So in order to create more and more of peace and love in our life, we have to only think about it and talk about it. So self-help is the determination to stop thinking of moments which are not so pleasant. Self-help is to stop having the need to talk often of unkind moments of our life. When we can follow this, I tell you out of my experience that we are no more stuck in our life. Our life begins to flow. We are surely on the path to achieving what we want successfully when we follow the simple tip of self-help. We are blessed with a newfound strength, a newfound freedom of body, mind and spirit. So remember to be committed to think and talk only of beautiful things in your life, so that your life becomes exciting like the rainbow in the sky. I'm sure you will be able to do it. Signing off with lots of love, Shobana at LivininLove Center, a special space that cares for your well-being physically, mentally, emotionally and spiritually. Please do get in touch with us with the mail ID given below and share with us whatever results you have seen by practicing self-help. In order to get more guidance, you can get in touch with us through the mail ID, and we are always ready to help us and help you and guide you. Thank you.